Iya, pemirsa masih di diplomasi, masih bersama dengan Duta Besar Filipina untuk Indonesia. Oke, kita bicara mengenai tourism. Oke, memang banyak sekali penduduk di dunia yang memang kita sekarang ini suka traveling. Nah, ini beberapa rekomendasi tadi sudah dijelaskan. Begitu kalau Anda suka ke pantai, ada beberapa tempat. Begitu kemudian juga ada historical yang menarik yang bisa Anda kunjungi di beberapa tempat di Filipina. Oke, talk about another tourisms. Oke, for the future. Do you have a target for the tourism industry between the Philippines and Indonesia?
Many things to learn from Indonesia about tourism.
Okay.
You have very good infrastructure in nice places.
Okay.
This is one thing that we can learn from Indonesia. On the other hand, we have beaches and natural tourist area. That can really be developed. So we hope in the future that the tourist industry here can have a look at the Philippines tourism, because right now there are about 10 places in the Philippines that are great potential for tourists.
Okay.
And tourism being the future business.
Okay.
Even we have learned that cruise ship already wants to go to the Philippines. Yeah, because I learned lately that the cruise ship from the west are coming to the east because we have a good economy and we have places here that really are good for cruise ship.
Okay.
So these are the connection that we can have between Indonesia and the Philippines.
Oke, iya itu dia tadi salah satu target tourism pada waktu yang akan datang begitu antara Filipina dan juga Indonesia. Tapi kita akan bicara mengenai investasi sendiri. Oke, Your Excellency, talk about the investments. Oke, in the futures. Oke, what sector investments that can develop between Philippines and Indonesia?
Well, the one that is very interesting is about the geothermal energy.
Geothermal, okay.
Because Indonesia has vast resources for geothermal. The Philippines has the best technology for geothermal.
Okay.
So a cooperation in this field would be very good for the two countries. And last month, Pertamina went to the Philippines to put up a LNG plant, the liquefied natural gas, which is a good energy, a clean energy. And well, the food sector, the fast food sector can be something that can have investment from the Philippines to Indonesia.
Oke, itu dia sektor energi ini menjadi salah satu daya tarik investasi yang akan dikembangkan antara Filipina dan Indonesia. Talk about the Philippines people character. Can you explain to Indonesian people?
Well, the people in the Philippines are just like the Indonesian, very similar in terms of their looks.
Okay.
The dialect, I think, is not difficult for Indonesian to understand Philippines and the Philippines to understand here.
Okay.
The people are mild-mannered. The big difference is that you are predominantly Muslim, we are predominantly Christian.
Okay.
But I think the two people can get together. There is no problem about, about Islam and the Catholics.
Oke, talk about the hobbies. Oke, the hobbies. Oke, pemirsa kalau bicara mengenai Philippines, mungkin Anda juga banyak di sosial media. Media sosial talk about the pageants in Philippines. Is very popular. Okay. Why these environments is become famous in Philippines?
Well, the Philippines has produced 4 Miss Universe.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the reason for this is that we have a cross marriage between the present Miss Universe has an Australian father and a Filipino mother.
Yeah.
And even the other Miss Universe has mixed blood.
Mixed blood, yes.
I think so their beauty stands out from being a mixed marriage.
Okay.
And the Filipino women likes to be beautiful. Huh?
Okay, jadi talk about the beauty. It's not only the place, beauty place in Filipina, but the beauty peoples in Filipina. Okay, it's very famous, right? Okay, in the world.
I think the Filipino makes very good nurses, no? Because they have tender, loving care. Huh? So the Filipino nurses all over the world are really in demand. No? Even the teachers, no? I've met a lot of school owners here that said they like Filipino teacher because they care for the students.
Okay.
I think that is one of the characteristics of Filipinos.
Okay, talk about the teacher. Talk about the worker.
Yeah.
Okay, many Filipinos worker working around the world. Okay, talk about the capacity, ability for the Filipino people nowadays, Your Excellency.
We have more than 10 million Filipinos all over the world. Huh?
Yes.
I think one of the biggest assets that they have is to be able to speak good English,
Okay.
good education.
Okay.
And this is one thing that I've been trying to bring to Indonesia, to speak better English
Okay.
and better education. Because I think the world needs a lot of people from this part of the world. Huh?
Okay.
In the West, they have what you call the zero population growth. Huh? People are getting older, so they need nurses, they need caregiver. So instead of being a domestic helper, these are the occupation that we think should be developed in the Philippines and in Indonesia.
Oke, iya. Nah ini pemirsa tadi dikasih kunci sukses bagaimana tadi mengenai tenaga kerja Filipina, karakteristiknya bagaimana, kemudian nah tadi dijelaskan bahwa education memang penting di Filipina begitu ya. English to communicate with the all the world, to speak about how to connecting with the peoples is very important. Dah kita juga pengen tahu what kind of famous sport in Philippines.
Well, basketball is the most popular one. Although soccer is coming up, no? We have Askal that came here was made a very good draw with the Indonesian soccer, and even during the ASEAN game, we got 4 gold medal. We landed 19th place of. Despite of the fact that we have only 200 athletes, and people are good in golf, although you have very good golf courses here. So basketball, football is coming up great, and swimming. These are weightlifting is also very popular.
Talk about the sport. Talk about the Asian Games. So how do you think about the Asian Games at Jakarta before?
Well, very successful. Congratulations to the organizing committee. In fact, after the opening of the game, I was able to meet Mr. Eric Getohir.
Eric Thohir.
I was telling him, Eric, you can make Olympic after a successful Asian game. So the next thing is to go for Olympic. And I think the world has to congratulate Indonesia, Jakarta, for a very, very successful Asian game.
Your Excellency, thank you so much for your sharing. Your suggestions. For Indonesian peoples and relations between the Philippines and Indonesia. Talk about Indonesia. Your Excellency, do you ever met with the Indonesian President, Mr. Jokowi?
Yeah, you presented my credential last year. No? He's a very kind man, very humble, down to earth, and I like him very much. Thank you so much for your suggestions, for your experience in Indonesia. Hopefully we can work together. Increase the cooperations, develop between the countries Filipina and Indonesia. Pemirsa, demikian diplomasi untuk hari ini, dan itu dia tadi rekomendasi kemudian juga sharing bagaimana Filipina, kemudian juga bagaimana tadi pendapatnya tentang makanan, kuliner, tourism sendiri. Dan saya Adam Lobis pamit dari diplomasi. Terima kasih Anda bersama kami. Sampai jumpa. Terima kasih.